The competition's been a really fun experience.
Pretty excited to be here today.
Yeah, it's so fun here.
Lively atmosphere, friendly people.
This is an incredible experience.
My name is Dwayne Taylor, jet engine mechanic, Pratt & Whitney. So the E-drill was actually very beneficial where it's perfectly cut. Having done sheet metal for 7 years, it really is a dream to use a tool like that, especially for this type of work.
My name is Katrina Oyer, and work for United Airlines. I actually love the E-drill. I drilled out probably thousands and thousands of fasteners working on inlets for United. And so I got really good at centering the drill and everything like that. But the E-drill takes all that pressure off of your body, and the gun just does everything for you. It's a clean cut every time, and I feel no pain in my shoulder, my elbow, you know.
My name's Tommy Price. I work in American Airlines sheet metal shop. It's my first time doing the AMC competition. Pretty excited to be here today. And then of course the E-drill today. That was kind of fun. E-drill's pretty cool, man. Yeah, you don't have to push down super hard. You don't have to worry about breaking bits. You know, it's kind of cool. Not have to worry about oversizing high-locks. So that's cool.
My name is Pietro. I'm an American Airlines mechanic at ORD. It's my first year of being a competitor. I did E-drill and I enjoyed it, and it's better than regular drilling because there's a less mess, and it's way better than if I just did it with a drill. This way is way faster, cleaner, and better. Competition general-wise, it's amazing. It gives you that feel of competing, and it also does this for you. Gives you that adrenaline.